our two favorite things around here, Donald Trump and Diet Coke. Welcome to Green River Sawyers. Good morning, friends. Thank you for clicking this video. And this video is going to be a little bit different than we've ever done. We are doing a mobile milling job. That's where we're going to take our LT35 woodmizer to another person's property, a customer's property, and mill their logs. And we also are going to have to take our skid steer. So me and Cody's going to divide and conquer. He's going to pull the sawmill and I'm going to pull the skid steer. And Cody is back at the sawmill milling some 1x10s. We'll be back there in just a minute. But I'm going right now to pick up my dump trailer. It's having some maintenance done on it. Nothing really major, but something, just a few things need to be done with it. The dump trailer is completely pullable, but it's not done yet. So I got to use it and take it back to the welder here. And actually my cousin Austin is doing the welding for me. So I'm going to pick it up now and do a few more things, and hopefully we're going to get back to the mill. But this video is mainly the mobile milling job. So I'm going to show a little bit today, and most of it's going to be tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So I gotta make this video work, edit, and get it on there. Hey, the big doggy! See y'all in the morning, bright and early. Good morning, everyone. It is now Wednesday. It's about 6:45 here at the mill. I just cranked my truck and getting it warming up. Cody's up to the mill. And we got all the tools we need. I swear, I think I could change the engine in my truck. That much tools we got. We got air compressors, generators, tool sets, multiple tool sets, impacts. But the two things that we almost forgot, which is the most, well, we got the most important thing, but it is important, is our levels to level up the sawmill when we get there. We always carry with us a 6-foot and a 2-foot. We put the 6-foot on the mill long ways, and we put the 2-foot on the mill short ways. And speaking about woodmizer just for a second, it's really impressive how the LT35, and I'm sure the rest of them do too, but we just know about the LT35s. It's really impressive how they pack up and get ready for travel. You can be sawing with that mill, stop it, and be ready to travel and pull in 2 minutes. But I think we're about ready to hit the road. We're almost there. This drive was about an hour. We're about 15 minutes away. Thank goodness. We're at the job, and I couldn't record a whole lot when we got here, just for the sake of the customer's privacy. You know, I'm not going to show up and put a camera in their face, of course. So, but we've got our instructions, what they want milled out of the lumber, out of the logs. So I'll show you that in just a minute. I'm getting all my stuff. And this is I'm not sure how much I'm gonna record, because this job we're on their time. You know, we're at the mill, we're on kind of our time. So I'm not gonna be disrespectful and, you know, set up tripods and all that. Of course, they might be fine with it, but I'm just not gonna do that. So let me show what we're cutting. There's the mill set up right there. It's not on a good spot, but it's the best spot we could find, because this is nothing but a hill. There's my skid steer sitting there, you can see it. We're not gonna saw the trunk, we're gonna saw most of the limbs, all we can. And that is an old white oak. I'll show it to you in just a minute, get up closer to it. Goodness gracious.
Boy, that'll catch a catfish.
we're headed back home. They, me and Coach riding together on the way back. They actually asked us to stay another day, to come back tomorrow and build some more, because what we done, there's a whole lot more left. So that's why we're riding together. We'll bring my skid steer and everything back home tomorrow. So I could record tomorrow, but
I mean, it'll just be a repeat. So I'm just going to end this video here. Cody's wore slap out. I'm wore slap out. I'm ready to get home. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. And oh, I didn't record a whole lot just out of respect to the customer, because I didn't want to spend time filming when they was paying us a salt lumber. But guys, thanks for watching. I guess this video is going to air Wednesday, which is today. So I got to get home and edit this video. But anyways, see you Sunday, guys.
Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share the videos.
See ya.